Good morning. Welcome to Top of the Morning by Mint, your weekday newscast that brings you 5 major stories from the world of business. It's Monday, March 24th, 2025. This is Nelson John. Let's get started. Options traders have set their sights on 23,600 as Nifty's key resistance level this week. If breached decisively, it could spark major losses for options sellers, who stand to gain the most if the index stays around 23,350, reports Mint's Ram Sagal. Since hitting a 9-month low of 21,964 in early March, Nifty has rallied 6.3%, fueled by foreign portfolio investors pumping in 6,576 crore rupees into the equities last week. This surge, partly driven by FTSE Russell Index rebalancing, saw total institutional buying cross 11,809 crore rupees. But the rally faces a crucial test. Technical indicators suggest a potential climb to 24,120 if 23,600 is broken, a key Fibonacci retracement level. Analysts are divided. IIFL Sriram Velayudan expects a market cooldown, while Axis Securities' Rajesh Palvia sees another 500-point rally led by banks. Meanwhile, trading volumes have soared past 1 trillion rupees daily, fueled by tax loss harvesting as investors book losses to offset capital gains stacks. With traders on edge, all eyes are on whether Nifty holds or shatters the 23,600 barrier. Gold's surge past $3,000 an ounce has put precious metals in the spotlight. But silver is stealing some of that shine. Often called the poor man's gold, silver has returned 15% in just the first 3 months of 2025 and has outperformed gold over the past 5 years, gaining 178%. So, what's fueling this rally? Safe haven demand remains a key driver, with global tensions and economic uncertainties pushing investors towards metals. But silver's industrial side is also in play. Its use in renewable energy and electric vehicles is driving demand while supply is tightening. Add to that a weakening US dollar and falling interest rates, and silver is catching investors' attention. Unlike gold, which sees steady central bank buying, silver is more volatile. But analysts say if the momentum holds, prices could climb to $40 an ounce. For investors, silver offers big opportunities, but also big risks. Blind bets based on gold prices are ill-advised, warns Gyanat Chainwala of Kotak Securities. Still, for those investing to ride the wave, silver could be setting up for another strong run. Tamil Nadu is lacing up for a major industrial shift. Non-leather footwear manufacturing. The state, already a hub for leather exports, is making space for synthetic footwear, attracting global brands like Nike, Puma, and Adidas. We need jobs that don't require high skills but create employment in large numbers. Non-leather footwear is one such sector, says Tamil Nadu's Industries Minister TRB Raja. The state has secured 17,550 crore rupees in investments, promising 2.3 lakh jobs. Leading the charge is JR1 Kotahari Footwear, which has already produced 2 million pairs of Crocs at its Perambalur factory. Expansion plans include a 5,000 crore rupees Adidas facility, creating over 50,000 jobs. Why now? Rising wages in China, Vietnam, and Indonesia have made India an attractive alternative. Tamil Nadu is leveraging its ports, infrastructure, and abundant workforces to woo Taiwanese giants like Shutown and Fengte. But challenges remain. Building a local supply chain for raw materials is the next big step. We're targeting 25% localization in 5 years, says State Industry Secretary V. Arun Roy. With new footwear parks planned and global players on board, Tamil Nadu is stepping up confidently into the future. The IPO market is heating up, with major companies like NSE, NSDL, Tata Capital, Boat, JSW Cement, and PhonePe gearing up for public listings in 2025. But market volatility has kept promoters and bankers cautious. Analysts say factors like foreign investor sentiment, trade tensions, and US policies could influence the pace of IPO activity. Mohit Gulati, CIO of ITI Growth Opportunities Fund, believes the new wave of IPOs is focused on financial discipline, AI integration, and ESG compliance. The days of pump and dump are over. Investors are now demanding sustainable, profitable businesses, he says. Among the key IPOs, LG Electronics India has secured SEBI's approval for a 10.18 crore share offer for sale, while NSDL is racing to finalize its 3,000 crore rupee offering. Tata Capital plans a massive 15,000 crore rupee IPO, while Boat is eyeing a 2,000 crore rupee raise with a valuation of over $1.5 billion. JSW Cement is set to launch a 4,000 crore rupee IPO. With the Nifty rebounding and investor confidence rising, IPO market is poised for a comeback, provided the global wind stays favorable. Indian IT giants continue to dominate the H-1B visa landscape, securing one-fifth of all approvals in 2024. According to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) data, Infosys topped Indian firms with 8,140 approvals, trailing only Amazon, which secured 9,265 visas. TCS followed 5,274 approvals, while Cognizant, HCL and Wipro also made it to the list. India remains the top recipient of the H-1B visas, with 73% of approvals in 2023 and 65% of applications in 2024 being renewals. However, changes introduced by the Trump administration could reshape the system. Starting March 2025, the selection process is shifting. Instead of selecting applications, USCIS will pick beneficiaries to curb multiple filings for the same individuals. The registration fee has jumped from $10 to $215, and the entire process is moving online for efficiency. Additionally, the deletion of H-1B records older than 5 years from the Foreign Labour Application Gateway system may complicate retrieval for applicants and legal representatives. While Indian IT firms remain dominant, the new rule may impact hiring strategies. Now the question is, will these changes level the playing field or will add hurdles for skilled workers? That's all for today. Thank you for joining in. We're eagerly looking forward to our next Top of the Morning episode, which will be packed with the latest in business news. Until then, this is Nelson John signing off. Have a marvelous Monday.